I didn't realize how much stuff was actually manufactured here in the US or even in this area. I mean, this area, the Puget Sound, is kind of like a manufacturing epicenter.
We started years ago trying to recruit younger people, and this program allows the community to have that extra help recruiting the right type of people.
Working on CNC machines is pretty intimate. It can be tedious at times, but you're not really like just doing the same thing every day. It's got lots of different things that can happen, different things you gotta look for. It keeps the job interesting, keeps your brain working. I like the idea of taking something, a block of metal or material that has absolutely no value, and taking time and hard work and effort into turning that piece of material into an actual usable thing that's going to go out somewhere and be put to work or put to use and valued by somebody.
My experience at Quality Stamping and Machining has been great, and I have enjoyed working here for over a year now. My favorite department at Quality Stamping and Machining is probably the programming department, because I really enjoy it and it's something that I might want to pursue later on in life, and it feels like I'm playing a video game.
What I've enjoyed doing at American Structures and Design is mainly work on the machines and have the ability to do more than just machining. Classes that I've taken in high school, well, I didn't take any metal fabrication or wood shop, but I did take engineer design, which was helping me with knowing how AutoCAD works, and that's what all of our drawings are based off of. So it's nice having the background of how the drawing's actually made while looking at the blueprint.
As we got involved with the apprentices and that younger generation and really getting back, it was fun to watch them evolve and learn and get excited, which in turn helped me learn and get excited, and it filled a need for where we were at and where we were going.
We've always hired young adults. This program allows us to hire young adults that maybe are a better fit, maybe are more dedicated to advancing their careers.
You know, we look at it today as what else are we going to build and how else are we going to build this company, and knowing today it's going to be with the younger guys versus the older guys.
We have a lot of AJAC kids, so it shows that they're willing to start someone from the bottom and to rise them up and make them a machinist. It's cool to see that they're actually trying and they're giving an effort and that they're giving everyone's together in this, and everyone's going to learn and get better.
We're not losing these guys. Our retainage is very, very good, therefore our ROI is going to be much, much better on these guys versus bringing in somebody off the street and through the ads and that sort of thing, and saying goodbye in 2 months or maybe even a year after they're really starting to produce some money for us.
Our job here is to support our customers, and this is an important part of being able to support those customers. We're a tier 1 supplier for Boeing, and that requires a certain level of expertise, and we have to train those people to have that expertise.
Personally, I can't wait to get in here every morning and see what these kids are doing and how they're helping us grow.
I wasn't going to go to college. I didn't want to do student loans or anything like that. My family didn't have any funds saved away for any sort of college thing. I mean, the fact that I'm getting paid to take college courses is like the exact opposite of what it normally is. It's pretty cool. I'm liking it a lot, but I honestly don't know where I'd be today.
If I were to have not done this program, I would have less information about the field of engineering, and I wouldn't understand what engineering was.
If I wasn't doing this program, I wouldn't have moved out at such an early age, and I would have been at home just laying around, not doing much, being a dead weight.
I really hope that as more and more people start to find out about this program, especially if they're younger and in high school like I was, to seriously think about it. Mm-hmm. If you've got a little bit of experience with it and you like it, you can start making money right away and kind of kickstart your life rather than wait around for 10 years not knowing what to do. That's a big thing. There should be less people doing that around here. It's kind of sad.